Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Duolingo without strict pressure. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Duolingo without strict pressure, you need to focus on intrinsic learning goals rather than the gamified metrics. Key strategies include ignoring the leaderboard. You can freeze proactively to manage your breaks, disable your motivational notification, or even intentionally break the streak to remove the psychological burden. So you can simply use the streak freeze options, like purchase the streak freeze in the shop using the app gem, which will allow you to take a day off without losing a streak, reducing the pressure to do a lesson daily. You can disable the notification and ignore the leaderboard completely and just focus on the learning process. So if you're going to use this and do this, you can use your Duolingo without strict pressure. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.